Right, well, I tested the Bluetooth. It still has the lag. The horn here, I guess because they don't know what I'm talking about, but if you see this, how much it moves barely anything. See how little that moves? And then this one, if you look at this side, look how much that moves. It's like, the other one moves like this tiny bit. Which doesn't do anything on this side. So, I mean, that it's not really a problem, but it's annoying, like, yeah. And now let's check the washer fluid. I don't know if they used it because there's bug stuff all over, but let's try. Okay, yep. Definitely comes out way better than what it was doing before. You can see now there's a lot of washer fluid coming out. Okay, and okay, so that should be fine. I'm gonna set this to lower speed and just let it go. But yeah, I mean, one problem's fixed, the other two are still there, nothing changed. So whatever they changed, nothing changed. Or I guess maybe the thing now, it works anywhere I press it. I have to wait till it stops. Yeah, before, sometimes I'll press it in one spot and it doesn't work. Well, I guess you can't really press down here, can you? Oh yeah, you can. It's just really hard. Okay, so now the horn works anywhere you press it. So that's good. And if you're wondering why I'm doing the fart sound, it's because that's the quietest one to use, so. Okay, that's good enough. So, got more washer fluid. I don't know if I should just keep getting all that bug junk off. It's not going to come off. I'm going to have to wipe it with like water and stuff. And then scrub it really well. Yeah, that bug splat's like stuck there pretty good. And this one too. But yeah, so this stuff didn't come off. I guess I'll have to tell them the other issues are still there. The main one that annoys me the most is the Bluetooth. The horn one's not really a big deal, but if they can fix it, I mean, maybe I should look up how to do it myself, but I don't want to do that and then risk voiding warranties or something. I've seen people take it out to replace it with the, what do you call the, I forgot what that steering wheel's called, the one that's not round. So I can probably look that up and then fix that myself if I really wanted to. But I mean, it's in warranty and I don't want to risk making problems and then they'll say like I messed it up. So I haven't really been doing much work on the car myself, which, you know, I like to work on my own stuff, but yeah, in this case I don't want to risk messing that up and then it's on me. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I guess I'll drive home now. It looks like I did have to re-add my phones to the Bluetooth thing. But let me see. Did it keep my... Okay, it kept my phones in as the keys, so that's fine. Alright, anyways. That's it. I'll see you all later. Bye.